Hi everyone, I thought I'd just do a quick video of our car park with cars we've got here waiting to be worked on. Okay, starting with this Subaru Impreza. So that's just in for a new rear wheel bearing. It turned up a couple of days ago. Customer reporting a really bad noise coming through it, and one of the rear wheels is basically hanging off. So got a new rear wheel bearing coming for that next week. Swiftly past the Skoda onto the Yaris. So this is a GR Yaris, just been dropped off today. This is going to have one of the Ecotec tunes we do. It's a completely standard car at the moment, standard power wise anyway. Looks like it's got some different wheels on it with some Nankang tyres fitted. So this is going to have one of our Whifbitz exhausts, E-Venturi carbon intake. So with the map we do, they normally go from the factory power figures of 260 horsepower, and we normally get about 320, 330 horsepower out of them. Obviously a big difference. Also with the Ecotec maps, you do get some cool features like the rolling anti-lag, flat foot shifting and launch control. So next car I've got here, we've got a Mark IV Toyota Supra. So this car's in for an inspection. It came in for an inspection a couple of months ago, and it needs a full rebuild basically. Everything. It's been sitting for quite a while, so it needs everything doing on it. The brakes all seized up. There's corrosion underneath. The engine is tired, so that needs a full rebuild. We're probably just going to use a brand new bottom end from Toyota and rebuild the head. Pretty much a standard car this one, so it's just got a set of wheels and an exhaust by the looks of things. I'll just show you under the bonnet quickly to show you how tired it is under here. So yeah, all the pipes have gone rock hard. So we'll fit all new rubber hoses, all the power steering pipes, brake hoses, radiator pipes, turbo pipes. The turbos will be rebuilt. So it's basically putting it back to a standard car, but obviously all refreshed and ready to go. Next one we got here, another Mark IV Supra, which is Lee Burley's. He's been a customer of mine for, I don't know, 18 years or something. He's had his car for 25 years, I believe it is. Lovely car, this one. So it's running about 700 horsepower and one of our ZF 8-speed conversions. So this is in for an upgraded prop shaft. Lee's been doing a bit of drag racing it, so we thought we'd better upgrade the prop shaft. It was still running the old original 25, 30-year-old standard prop shaft, so it was just a matter of time before that broke. So we fit a Powerhouse Racing single piece prop shaft on this car. I'll pop the bonnet again to show you what it looks like under here. There's a ZF shifter in there with the flappy paddles on the steering wheel. So the ZF conversion we do, you can either use as an automatic or a manual, so using the flappy paddles on the steering wheel. And they drive absolutely great. Transforms the performance of your Supra. Getting rid of the old 4-speed automatic with latest tech 8-speed super fast gear changes. As you can see, it's got a host of parts fitted under here. It's got a forged engine. It's got one of our Whifbitz turbo kits using a Borg-Warner EFR turbo with internal wastegate. Our set of our billet cam covers. our Whifbitz coil pack conversion as well, hyper tune inlet manifold, Whifbitz radiator, Whifbitz carbon parts in it as well, the carbon radiator shroud, carbon fuse box lid. Really, really nice car, this one. And next up, we've got another really good customer of mine. He's been here for bringing this particular car to us for, must be a good, don't know, 7 or 8 years. Started out as a Supra, a non-turbo automatic. So back when he got this, it was probably worth about 3 grand. Now it's, I don't know, 40, 50 grand worth, the way it looks now anyway. So it's got all the Yaris kit on it, Yaris bumper, Yaris side skirts, with all the nice carbon splitter and carbon side steps on the side skirts. Ganador mirrors. So this car's running about 700 brake. And again, another car with the ZF 8-speed conversion. It's got a lovely set of BC forged rims. They're 11.5 inch on the back with 305 tyres, giving plenty of grip. I'll pop the bonnet quickly for you that. No, I can't, it's locked. That's basically running one of our Whifbitz turbo kits again. We're running a Precision 62-66 Gen 2. That's going to be having a 3.4 stroker kit with rebuild the head again, so refresh it all, and we're going to go up to a 64-66 next gen turbo. So with the VVTi head it's got and the 3.4 litre stroker kit, it should be an absolute weapon on the road. Super fast spooling, and we're aiming for about 800 horsepower on this one. Also be fitting a radium fuel system as well. Yeah, should be really nice, this car, once it's finished. So we've got this other one as well, it's just been dropped off, another Supra Mark IV. So this is a Supra non-turbo automatic. So we're going to be doing a full engine on this as well. It's turned up with it knocking really, really bad. The bottom end's gone on it. So the customer wants to turbocharge this, so we're going to put a brand new GT bottom end in this as well. You can still buy these from Toyota, so makes it nice and easy to get these to get them built quick. The standard GT engine will take 700, 750 horsepower, no problem at all. And this customer wants about 300, about 400 brake, so it's going to go with one of our NAT kits. So it's still automatic, so the non-turbo automatic gearboxes are only really good for about 400 brake, and that's it, and it starts slipping. So, but the turbo kit's capable of running 500, 520 horsepower. So once he gets his gearbox upgraded, he can then turn the power up. We've also got another one we've just nearly finished off. This has got, again, it's a non-turbo automatic. Now it's got one of our Whifbitz NAT turbo kits on it. Again, it's an automatic, so it's limited to about 400 brake with the gearbox. I think this customer's going to do a manual conversion at some point, I think he said. So yeah, this one will be running, yeah, just under 400 brake when it's finished. They're a great turbo kit as well, just it comes with everything you need. Bolt-on kit, and you can run it from sort of 360 horsepower up to 520 we normally get from them. So yeah, this sort of kit you can fit at home as well, because it comes with everything you need. And then last of all, we've got a Toyota Crown, quite a cool car these. It's got a 1JZ VVTi engine in it. That's what they come with from the factory. It came into us because as it was running rough, it turned out to be a dodgy map sensor, so fit a new map sensor. and all good. And while it's here, it's got a remap. It's also got some oil leaks on it. As you can see, there's a beautiful Ferrari 355. This is actually my own car, 355 GTS. I've had this for about 8-9 months and absolutely love it. Great looking car, as you probably know. With the lovely V8 engine screaming its nuts off. This has got a tubby style exhaust with decap pipes as well. Apart from that, it's totally standard. And the manual gearbox, as you can see there. Lovely tan interior. We'll do a video on this soon on our dyno so you can hear it. This is another one of my cars we've been building for a little while now. This is at a ground up nut and bolt rebuild. Painted inside and out, underneath. Every single nut and bolt replaced. It's got some temporary wheels on it at the moment. These aren't the wheels that are going to be on it when it's finished. So this is going to be about 900 horsepower ZF 8-speed. All the interior is done with Alcantara. And a quick look under the bonnet. So this is a 3.4 litre engine, VVTi, 6875 precision turbo. Yeah, I won't go into detail on this one yet. We're going to do a full video on this soon. And over here we've got a Yaris we've had in recently. So this came in for an X-Shift 7-speed gearbox. This is going to have one of our Whifbitz turbo kits, G25 550 turbo kits. Just running low boost because it's going to be a standard engine. So about 400 brake. It's already got Cyvex on it as well. We're also going to have air shift on the for the sequential gearbox as well, with auto upshifting. So it should be a bit of a tool, this one, when it's done. And then we've got my Supra A90. It's running about 800 horsepower. And onto my black Mark IV Supra, which is a bare shell at the moment. It's had a full paint job inside out, underneath, acid dipped, e-coated as well. So it's just got to find the time to put this one back together. As you can see, it's like amazing inside, shiny. This was done by DC Customs, who I'd highly recommend. Very expensive job, but look at it under there. It's going to be pretty special, this car, when it's back together. And lastly, another customer's Supra Mark IV. This was a non-turbo auto and it came in for a turbo conversion, and it's ended up being a full engine build with precision 6266 driver wire, ZF 8-speed, full fuel system. So this is going to be about 700 horsepower roughly when it's all done. That's someone on our dyno at the moment. In there, that's a BMW 335i. One of our customers is using the dyno to map his car. So yeah, if you wanted to use our dyno, just get in touch. We rent it out to customers. And if you need any work done on your car, just let us know. Thanks.